How to get wide angle camera on any iPhone. So currently I do have my iPhone 11 with me, and it has this new version or new update that you can have a 0.5. It's really prominent nowadays. It's a 0.5, so it's actually a wide angle camera on any iPhone. Now if you go here to your camera here, under your photo here, you will have this, right, this option or this space. Now if you want to have a wide angle, you will see, as you can see, you will see this 0.5 there. Just tap on that, and now you have a wider view of everything. So for portraits, you do not have a, you cannot zoom in and zoom out to portrait here. So, and you do not have the zero point 0.5 option for your portrait there. Now if you go back to photo here, you have this space here, it's actually on. If you tap on zero point 0.5 here, you can see here you have a wider angle camera on iPhone. And basically that is how you get wide angle camera on any iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.